And especially that disappointment that comes when all your hope has been put on this person, and that person that you would never ever have dreamt of one day letting you down, walking away from you or denying you, and before you know it, the greatest shock of your life, the person whom you have hanged all your life upon walks away and disappears from you in a blink of an eye. In this disappointment, it is unbearable. Some people, it comes so hard on them, they end up taking their life away. Disappointment. The number one thing disappointment destroys is self-confidence. Now, I want you to pay attention, please. See, these words are very important. The number one thing disappointment destroys is self-confidence. Let me tell you this. If you do not have self-confidence, you cannot keep your faith. I'll repeat it again. If you do not have self-confidence, you cannot keep nor protect your faith.